that's nice.
Did you know that you put your shoes in the wrong
Yes.
foot?
But
Yeah, it's on the wrong side. Put it in the wrong.
they won't
And you put that what do you call that, princess? That's her, right? You're wearing Asha.
Asha.
This is Asha. This is Asha. And this is what you're wearing today.
Yes.
Mommy
Say.
is doing laundry. Zachary just went to bed for nap. I'm doing some laundry.
Say.
Yeah, it's the same. It's pretty.
Bath. We
Yeah.
bath.
You match.
We bathy.
Yes, you're matching.
It matching me.
Yeah.
It matching me.
Yeah, I'm matching you.